All right, now we got some classic trucks for sale. We got the Chevy 3600, 1954. All right, let's check out the specs first. Here's your specs, and they're asking $27,000 for this.
That's important.
Well,
All right, check out the interior. Till we go to the next, there's a, get ready, there's a 93 Ranger next to us. All right, here we go. Here's a 1993 Ford Ranger. Look at this, dragged out. Look at this. Oh my. All right, let's check out the specs. There's a 93 Ford Ranger Splash. And they're asking $23,900 for this. All right, let's see what he did inside the interior. Huh, dragged it out, but you don't got no roll bars or nothing in here. All right. All right, next up we got the old Ford V8. Look at this. All right, here we go. Specs. As is. Dang it. It's a 1937 Ford, but it's as is. So they don't give us good specs on this. All right, let's go to the 1955 Ford F100 pickup. Look at this one. This was sweet. Got the low rider on this one, my word. All right, what are they asking for this one? Here's your specs. They're asking 34.9. Oh, you gotta love the freaking beer tap shifter. Jeez, that's cool. Oh wow. All right, this would be a good show truck here. Look at this, tickled pink.
I didn't know what this was.
All right, next up, look at this. So is an El Camino considered a truck? Because this is in the truck division. Huh? A Ranchero. El Camino, my fault. Is a El Camino and a Ranchero considered a truck? It's a 69 Ranchero. Would you consider El Caminos and Rancheros a truck? It's got the 351 in it. I think they should just put this with the cars. Because I did some El Camino. I have 2 El Camino videos up already, everybody. Alright, next up we have a 2004 Dodge Ram. 2004 Dodge Ram. Man, gosh, what are they going to ask for this one? Alright, here we go. 2004 SRT 10. 9,600 miles. Seriously? 48,000? Viper power head? Viper powered? Huh. Alright, if you tell me that is a steal. That's a pretty good buy, I think. All right, buddy, there you go. Some trucks and that car truck. For sale. See ya.